We are in Kakolanmäki wastewater treatment plant, which is in Turku, Finland. It locates underground in the city center. It's very rare in the whole world. My name is Jouko Tuomi. I work as a production engineer in the Kakolanmäki wastewater treatment plant. The dewatering process is really important for us because we spend the most money for the sludge handling, and that's why we have to keep the machines rolling all the time. We started the cooperation with the Flottweg in 2018 when we made a competition for the dewatering machines, and we were really satisfied both for the price and for the quality. After 2018, we ran the first two machines for around 5 years. Even we were satisfied with the C7 machines, we wanted to try out, is there a possibility to increase even more dryness and get more savings from the power and for the polymer consumption. We first heard about the Xelletor machines in IFAT München, and we were interested, is there a possibility to get even more improvement for the dryness. The sludge handling costs are the highest cost that we have, and with Xelletor machine we learned that it's possible to feed more sludge inside the machine and also use a bit different parameters. The 1% increase in dryness is really important for us because we have outsourced sludge handling, and that's why we are paying for the outgoing sludge. And simultaneously, we get 15% savings for the power and for the polymer consumption. We were really satisfied for the test results, and that's why we wanted to buy the Xelletor rotor for our plant. We can save tens of thousands of euros per year, and the payback time for the Xelletor is only like few years. The first Xelletor rotor arrived here in 2023, and after using that in 1 year, we wanted to order a second one also, which is arriving in 2025. After replacing the old rotor, we decided to keep it in storage as a spare parts if there is any issues on the two working machines. To keep the machines running, we also need good maintenance, and that's why we made a maintenance contract with Flottweg. And when we call them, they come on site, check everything is okay, and give us a warranty that the machine is running until next year without any problems. The 3 reasons that we will choose the Flottweg again is the price, the quality, and the team behind it.